And just like that, we are back with another video. Hi guys, Ashley Nicole here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new, then welcome to my YouTube channel. To my what? And welcome to my YouTube channel. So I've missed 2 uploads. I know I've missed 2 uploads. Don't be mad at me. I'm sorry, okay? And before we even get into today's video, I just want to go ahead and say that this is not a try on haul. I know you guys are in love with my try on hauls. I know. I have some more coming for you, so just hold your horses. So today's video is going to be something a little different. So I decided that I wanted to be a little bit more proactive in 2020. I feel like 2020 has just basically escaped from us. I want to take control of the rest of my 6 months. Now, I may not be able to go outside anymore. I may have to wear a mask, but I still want to be intentional with my last 6 months and with my time. All of us would have thought 2020 would have looked a lot different than what it looks like. So I wanted to do a vision board. I want to sit down and plan out what my goals are for the rest of 2020, what I hope to accomplish before it is over. So yeah, I'm excited. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get into today's video. So by taking control of the last 6 months of 2020, my idea to do that is to make a vision board for the last 6 months. I know you're probably thinking the last 6 months, why even make a vision board? Why even waste your time? And so I feel like taking some time away from the news and social media and just really focusing on my goals, like my YouTube channel, my Instagram account, which if you're not following my Instagram account, you should go and follow that. And if you're not subscribed, before we even get any further, go ahead and subscribe and join the family. I just am so amazed that in the course of a week, we've gained 20 subscribers. From my last video, you guys loved it so much. I'm honestly blown away, so thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Again, new trial hauls are coming soon, but in the meantime, I know you still want to see my face, so we have this video. But shameless plugs over. I really just want something else to focus on to keep my mental health intact and to just be more intentional with my time, because time you can't get back, okay? So if you're clicking on this video and you have no clue what a vision board is like at all, it basically is a physical representation of your aspirations or goals. It is a daily reminder of what you're striving for, what you're trying to achieve. It's however you design your vision board to be. Some people like aesthetically pleasing vision boards where it's like light pastel or nude colors. Some people like really bold and colorful vision boards, and mine it's probably going to be neither, because I am not artistic as far as drawing and coloring and those kind of things. So some of the benefits of that, I'll post them on the screen on this side over here so that you can see a lot of the benefits of creating one. But I find the biggest benefit is that it's a constant reminder of what you're trying to achieve. And if you make it colorful and eye-catching, then it's going to constantly motivate you to say, hey, I have to work on this. Hey, I'm supposed to be working on this. So it's widely known that the subconscious is way more powerful than the conscious mind, meaning whatever is in your subconscious mind has a lot more impact on how your life actually plays out. So with making a vision board, it actually triggers the subconscious mind, just because the subconscious mind is really engaged into colorful things. And so by triggering the subconscious mind with your colorful, creative, imaginative vision board, you're now increasing your chances substantially and to work harder to reach your goals. So with that being said, I want to do that. I want to make the most of the last 6 months of 2020. So let's go ahead and get into making this vision board. I actually want to make an old style vision board, meaning I want to use poster board and scissors and just make it my own. I want to be as creatively involved as possible, meaning I don't really want to make it on a computer, but you do have the option to make it on a computer if you would like, and it might be a whole lot easier. You don't have to go out and buy a whole lot of material. So if all you have is a computer and a printer, you're good to go. You don't have to go out and buy any materials. I just went out and bought some because I like to be hands-on. As far as materials go, I have scissors, I have a poster board, I have little glue sticks, and then I was really excited to get these Project XL, I think, poster markers. And then I went on PicMonkey and Canva and put some little collages together and used some really cool fonts. Of course, at the end, I will go over and show you the whole thing, explain to you what each goal is, what I'm trying to achieve, because a part of my goal is you guys. I'm really excited to see that we are growing as a big family, and I actually want us to expand as much as possible. So you are actually part of my 6-month vision board plan. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. I'll put you guys down, let you watch me cut, paste, draw, do whatever. I'm not gonna promise that it's gonna look amazing. I'm just not gonna promise that, but I can promise you that I tried. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I just finished cutting everything out, and I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over so you can see what we're working with. It looks a little boring to me, but hopefully with my little markers I can snazz it up a little bit. But if not, you're gonna have a really boring vision board. Okay, so this is the entirety of my vision board. I didn't really do like a lot of pictures. I wanted to be a little bit more hands-on with everything myself. I'm not gonna focus too much on what everything says, because again, at the end I am going to go over everything. But this is what I have so far. It does look bland, but just wait to the end, because hopefully we'll be to make this better. Okay, so I finished the vision board, and I gave a disclaimer earlier stating that it may not be the best. Okay, I'm not the best at making things look amazing as far as drawing. That's just a disclaimer, so when you see it, I don't want to hear it looks like a preschooler's. I get it. I don't know how to hold this up for you guys to see it. Can you see it? So instead of holding up the board, because it is a decent sized board and I don't know how to get it into the frame, what I'm going to do is just go over everything that I put on it, and then I'll pop up a clip of each area of the board while I'm talking about it, so you can see exactly what it looks like or exactly what I wrote. Basically at the top it just says 2020 vision, which haha, get it, because 2020 vision, I can see it very clearly. Great joke. Okay, one of the things that I have on here is to be a Nasty Fit athlete, and by that I just mean that I want to work with Nasty Fit. I love their activewear, and that's just a dream of mine, so I'm hoping that I'm manifesting that into the universe. Under that, I have my goal of reaching 7.5k subscribers. I know we're far off from that. We're at 155 as of right now, and I really want to focus on growth. So I wrote in red marker under 7.5k subscribers, I wrote growth, and then I put an arrow indicating moving upward, because that's what I really want to focus on. Underneath that I put strong community, and under that I put support, meaning I want a strong and supportive community around me, whether that's friends, whether that's family, and whether that's you guys. I just want that to be the basis of everything that I'm doing. Okay, and then at the bottom I put pray more and worry less, just because I have a tendency to worry a little bit, worry a lot. The saying in itself just implies that I want to give a lot of my worries to God and let him handle them and stop putting so much stress on myself. So basically at the bottom I messed up originally. I tried to write no settling at the bottom in blue marker, and it looks horrible. I tried to cover it up with other things that I wanted to put on the board itself. Basically, where I put the no for no settling that I messed up, I just left the no, and then above it I wrote doubt, fear, and settling, so that when I read that it would be no doubt, no fear, and then no settling. Right beside that I have a Bible verse. I won't read it to you, I'll pop it up on the screen if you want to see it. One that just implies focusing on writing down your goals, they'll come to pass. And then above that in red marker I just wrote Jesus with a heart and then an arrow, just to keep me more focused on him and what his purpose is for my life, for this channel. Then next to the Bible verse I have travel, and I have a picture of Greece and then a picture of Japan, and those are two places that I really want to go to. And I'm not necessarily saying I have to travel there within 6 months, but I want to make the plan. Then above that I put the love of my life, which is me going into the things that I am looking for in a significant other. Okay, there's 8 things. I won't list them all. I'll pop them up on the screen so you can look at them. So above the love portion on my board there's another little quote that says fear is temporary but regret is forever, and that just hit home so much, because I remember when I thought about starting a YouTube channel and I was so scared to start it, and then I started it, and then now the fear is gone. I don't really even think about like, oh my god, what are people gonna say if they watch my videos? And just think about if I had let fear stop me from making this YouTube channel, I wouldn't have you guys, and I wouldn't be able to sit here and talk to you and try on clothes for you and be dramatic with you and just just have fun. And this quote can go for all of us. You have 6 months left of 2020. Go out, try something different, something that scares you, try it. And if you don't like it, you don't like it. But think about in the back of your mind, when you don't try it, what you're gonna be thinking. You're basically gonna be like, when I was younger, I wish I would have tried that. And that was my motto this year, but you know, this year kind of went astray. What if it ends up being the best decision you ever made? You don't know unless you try. And then beside that, I have YouTube monetization in 2020, which means I want my channel to be monetized in 2020. I know that we can get to 1,000 subscribers or more before 2020 is over. I want this to be my full-time job. I want to be able to just get on here and talk to you guys and share lifestyle tips and workout tips, activewear that I love. I just love the fact that I get to interact. I love your comments. I love being able to talk to you. And then under that, on the board, I put 3 things that I really need to focus on in order to reach that goal, which are consistency, being myself, and producing the best content that I can. And with great content, I don't just want to put up a random video because it's my upload day. Those are the 3 main things that I really want to focus on, and I know that will help me towards getting my channel monetized so that this can be a full-time job for your girl. Okay, so that's basically all I have on my vision board. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below what your 3 goals are for the remainder of 2020. So I love to talk to you guys. It means the world to me for you guys to leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see you guys in Wednesday's video. Thank you so much for all of your love and support. Bye guys.